Hi, yes, I'm back, and I'm sorry, cause I've been gone for a week. Hindi ako nakapag-post ng panibagong vlog. I know, I'm sorry, but let me explain. Because I'm a student. First, the reason why hindi ako nakapag-upload ng isang linggo, it's because it's summative test. It's summative week. And punong-puno din kami ng activities. And there's this one, the bulletin board. I hate it the most. I hate it the most. But kinaya ko naman. But ang nangyari is the extension ng 27. Supposedly, dapat daw Friday ang deadline. Friday. So, nung Monday, nag-start na agad kami gumawa ng bulletin board. And through that week, pinagsabay namin yung summative test, the activities, and the bulletin board. Yes, ang dami kong ginawa. And that time then, I wasn't feeling okay. I was mad. I was pissed. And I don't know. I don't know what I was feeling, but I was for sure is pissed. Pero kinaya ko naman. And if you've been like following me sa IG, or if you haven't, I'm gonna put it here now. Yeah. Follow me on that IG kasi I post some clips na hindi ko like pinopost on YouTube, and things now which is very random. It's like my personal dump for videos na in-edit ko tapos hindi ko na lang sinama. Going back, I had to focus on school and on myself kasi I wasn't feeling okay and I was busy, kaya please forgive me. But this time, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been up to since weekend din ngayon. It's Saturday and kakatapos lang din nung Maki concert na pinuntahan namin. And tomorrow, Sunday, is going to be Cup of Joe. And I'm going to be with, yes, Haiza, one of my friends in arts and designs, my classmates. Yep. And yeah, I will show you guys the Maki, and I'll go back here to show you the Cup of Joe one. Yeah. Bye bye.
Wala naman akong nais banggitin, di pag-uusapan lahat na nangyayari sa atin. Pagkatapos ako lamunin at suyuin ang panahon, pati sa panaginip di man lang uminahon. Sadyang gusto ko lang naman tanungin ang iyong mata na madalas nagsisinungaling. Ang galing parang kahapon na mahal mo ako. Hindi nasaan ganito ka magbabago. Pero kahit ganito, naiisip mo man ang ako. Kasi kahit saan magpunta, hinahanap ko ang iyong mukha. At pagka biglang magkita, ba't di na mawawala na ng gana, parang paulit-ulit na. Ano mang mamarang sa daan, huwag mong lilimutin na ako aming bumubulong at ang araw na yumayakap sa iyo lang babalik ang puso kong ito. Kahit mabunaw ang lahat, di ba rin hinto? Huwag ka nang magduda pa, di mo pagkakaila, magkaiba man ang ating mundo. Tataya pa rin sa'yo, saan man mapadpad, madala o malipad, magkalayo man ang ating mundo. Tataya pa rin sa'yo, kahit na malayo, kahit na di kabisado, kahit na mundo'y magbago, kahit na walang masabi, kahit na nandito palagi, kahit na nanatili, kahit na. Huwag ka nang magduda pa, di mapagkakaila, magkaiba man ang ating mundo. Tataya pa rin sa'yo, saan man mapadpad,